Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. How y'all doing today? I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. So in this video I want to talk about the Saddlemen step-up seat. So yeah, I want to talk about the Saddlemen step-up seat and what I think about it, my opinion on the seat. Let me just tell you a little story about the seat. I've been waiting to get this seat since April. I think I got it in the end of June or beginning of July. I don't remember exactly, but it took a while. Like, it's always out of stock. Like I said in my other video, as soon as it went in stock and the style that I wanted, I got it. You know, I picked it up. The style they always had in stock was like the tuck and roll, and like the plain black one with no stitching. The one I wanted is the one with the rear stitching in the back. Or if I could have gotten the one with full stitching, I would have gotten that, but that was never came in stock, so I couldn't wait anymore. The one with the rear stitching was in stock. I just jumped on it. Anyway, I ordered it from Fort 9. You could probably get it from Saddlemen, but with Saddlemen you could customize it more. You could do like colors and a bunch of stuff. I'm not exactly sure, but I've seen some Saddlemen seats from their site. They have like different colors, stitching. You could put like a logo. Anyway, I didn't want anything fancy, so I just went with the regular, you know, rear stitching in the back. So I ordered from Fort 9. Took like 3 days to get to my place, which is very fast. As soon as I got it, I made the YouTube video on how to install it, and I installed it, and I've been riding the seat ever since. When you first get the seat, man, you're thinking like, did I make a huge mistake? Because this seat ain't comfy at all. It's freaking stiff. But no, you gotta like break it in. I think it takes like, I don't know, 600 kilometers I've been riding so far, and now it's just starting to get really comfy. I love it, man. It's like night and day between the stock seat. So yeah, like, you gotta break it in. Another reason why I like this seat, because it changes the look of the bike. Like, it makes the bike look way more aggressive, in my opinion. Like, if you see the seat, it like has almost like a backrest, but not really. So when you go fast, the seat holds you back from you know, going backwards on the motorcycle. That's another thing I like about it. And it just looks badass, man. Like, I don't know what else to say about the seat. Like, it's beautiful. It's a bit more on the expensive side, but I think if you order in Fort 9, it's much cheaper than if you ordered it from Saddlemen. But don't quote me on that. I paid like under 600 for the seat, just so y'all know. My cousin. That was my cousin. I think I scared them. My bad. So if you guys are wondering where I'm riding to, today is Sunday, and I'm going to the 514 Femina meet at Nona's in Dorval every other Sunday. Going to a motorcycle meet. Yeah. Take care. Thank you. Okay, yeah, so as I was saying, I'm going to a motorcycle meet. 514 Feminist hosting it. It happens every other Sunday. Not every Sunday, so like every 2 weeks. just check on their Instagram or Facebook and you'll know when the dates are. You guys should come by and check it out. It's a nice meet. It's a nice small meet. There's music, good food, and very cool people. So yeah, come check it out if y'all got the time. So what else can I say about the seat? And I think I said everything that was on my mind. Like, I didn't write nothing. This is just all on the top of my head, what I think about the seat. Is it worth 600? In my opinion, yeah. Because I did a ride with this, with my old seat. Just to give you an example, we went to Laconia a few years back, and like after 2 hours in, man, I couldn't, like, with the stock seat on the Yamaha Bolt, it was just, my back was killing me. And with this, I did a ride a few days ago, like probably 3-hour ride, and usually I'll like, you would start feeling it an hour and a half, you would start feeling your back hurting, but man, I feel like with this seat I could just keep going. I don't even need to stop. Like, it's really that comfy. So yeah, I think it's worth it, man. I think, in my opinion, it's worth it. Just so you don't have those back pains and you could ride longer without stopping. I'll give the seat like a 9 out of 10, man, because I love the look and it's so comfortable, man. Can't go wrong. So yeah, that's what I think about the seat. I don't know what else to say about it. I think I said pretty much all this it needed to say. If you guys have any questions about the seat, something I didn't say, just write it down in the comments and I'll get back to you down there. So I'm just gonna go right to the meet now. I'm gonna get there, get off the bike, and show you how my seat looks like, even though you already seen it. Just for those of you who haven't watched the install video, see how the seat looks like on my bike, the Yamaha Bolt. And then we'll end the video there, I guess. And yeah. So here's the place of the meet. Already a bunch of bikes. I'm gonna park in the corner right here. Oh shit, slippery. So here's the meet. It's every Sunday at 6:30 to 9. And there's the seat. It looks really sick on the bike. Changes the whole look. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you on the next one.